Text-based thinking in coding. Maya has been creating fun animations using blocks. But today, Momo has something new to show her. Behind every colorful block is another way to code, text-based coding. It's like lifting a curtain and seeing how things work backstage. Block coding is a great way to start. It shows actions as puzzle pieces. But each piece has a matching text command. That's how real programmers talk to computers, with words, punctuation, and clear structure. In platforms like MakeCode, Maya can instantly flip her project from blocks to real code, like JavaScript. This helps her understand that both versions do the same thing, just in different styles. It's like writing the same sentence in two languages. One uses pictures, and the other uses letters, but the meaning stays the same. In Edublocks, Maya learns Python, a language used in real apps and websites. She doesn't have to type yet. The blocks do the writing for her. But she can see the real Python code being written below, helping her prepare for the next step in coding. To become a great coder, Maya learns to think step by step. She uses logic cards to build a plan, just like how coders plan their programs before they type. Planning code is like giving directions to a robot. First, do this. Then, check that. Finally, show the result. That's logical thinking. Some coding words come up a lot. These are called coding commands. Print tells the computer what to show. Repeat means do something over and over. If checks if something is true or false, and makes decisions. Text-based code is like a recipe. Each command must be clear, with the right spelling and order. That's why learning the block version first helps Maya understand it all step by step. Maya notices something exciting: the blocks and the text are always in sync. When she changes one, the other changes too. This shows her that no matter how code looks, the logic stays the same. By seeing both styles together, Maya is building the skills to one day code like a pro, writing powerful instructions with just a keyboard. Maya now understands something very important: block coding is just the beginning. The colorful pieces she snaps together are building her brain to think like a real programmer. And one day, she'll be ready to type out her own ideas, with text code that brings her imagination to life.